Hello. This is Better from Wave. How's everyone doing? Happy Friday. Hope everyone has a great weekend. As always, please let me know if you can hear me, and we'll get started. I'll just notify everyone on the Discord we're live. So yeah, you should be able to hear me just fine. But yeah, please let me know if you can hear me. So I'm just going to notify everyone on the Discord we're live so that we can be as many as possible, and then we'll get started as every Friday here on Better Wave. So let me just get the link of the live stream. Awesome. And just share it. Great. So that's done. All right. So, interesting week. Pretty much we've had some major greens, and good thing is this week we're live here twice. We're live on Monday, we're live today. Quite an interesting week. So I'll just open up some tabs as we get started. Let me actually just leave the link for the Discord so that if people join us, they can actually join. And then, as always, you guys can ask me anything to analyze. Great. Perfect. So let's open up some tabs. Let's have the indexes here. Some red, but nothing. We can take a look at it. Nothing that wasn't really not forecasted. So we're gonna take a look at it. So yeah, it just looks. So here on the Nasdaq, I came up with. Well, actually, just open the tab to get ready, and then as people join, we can get started. FX. So yes, dollars back higher as expected. Yes. Look at gold. Gold quite. Yeah. And interesting here on gold. We're looking. I'm looking for a top to be in place. Anytime soon. At this point, we might even have had something like this, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is possible, and yeah, we'll have to find out. We'll see how it goes. But I'm looking for a sharp pullback soon, as I said even last week. Yeah, we can take a look at it. But also, you guys ask me for anything you want to take a look at. I'll be glad to take a look at whatever you guys want. So also, I had an eye on Apple as well. I was looking for some upside continuation here. So I'm not sure wait for is completed. It might be. But we might get another push lower, so we'll see about that. And yeah, crypto market is pretty interesting. Interesting thing here on Ethereum, we broke this high, August 2022. So it's been what, 8 months, 10 months, for 8 months that we finally broke the August high here. And yeah, looking for some pushback. Yeah, guess we'll see what's gonna happen, but overall I do have some, I do favor the upside, so we'll see about that. Let me look for where's the equality of 1 and 2. Okay, 61.8. Ideally we could get to equality with this wave 5. So trading wise, the low that needs to hold is this one. So as long as this low holds, then we can look for further upside into wave 3. But as always, guys, anything you want me to take a look at, just ask. Happy to take a look at whatever you guys want, or else I can just show you here around what seem to be the best trade opportunity for the time being, which is actually something I'm starting to think about, something I'm considering. So yeah, we'll see about that. And then what else? Nasdaq. Yeah, I was considering the possibility of some sort of leading diagonal into wave 1 here, which possible. We'll see what's gonna happen, but a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Not the best looking one, but still possible. The Dow Jones been leading the upside, which we monitored this trade for a long time. This is ABC. Yeah, the DAX been. It looks like we might be near a top here for wave 3. We'll see about that. I took a successful trade, which I shared on the channel, on the Discord. I shared when I got in, shared when I got out, and I showed the actual transaction on my account for transparency. As we have nothing high here on bear wave. Turkish index, quite interesting. We'll see if that's gonna just be a move. Ideally, we do not break this high, as this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll need to monitor that, and we'll see what's gonna happen. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen with that. So as always, anything you want to take a look at, please ask. What else that we got here? Yeah, let's take a look at some cryptos. Bitcoin, also not. I mean, I've been bullish for a long time, but the count is, to be honest, quite confusing at this point in time. I'm a bit uncertain on where we're going, where we're headed next. Still favor the upside. Let's take a look at XYO. Okay, XRP. How are the cryptoverse, the metaverse cryptos going? Let's take a look at. Okay, here on Mana. the central line. Let's take a look at Luna. Yeah, Sandbox. Yeah, major retracement. So yeah, nothing that interesting here. Oil, we might be near some sort of wave 1, maybe to the upside, 1 or A. So I am expecting soon a pullback here on oil, take us back lower. We do not have any strong evidence in favor of that yet, but I'm still expecting something to happen. Aussie dollar been moving sideways for a long time. I had a short taken out at break even, but yeah, it's been moving sideways for quite some time now. GU short, yeah. Overall, this is due to the dollar moving higher as a result on rate hikes. So yeah, nothing crazy. Yeah, again, nothing crazy. Nothing that could have been forecasted. Yeah, as well as basically some major data on the US economy. But I mean, we were expecting this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, looking for upside here, to be honest. So I mean, at this point, not sure whether could also be in this wave count, to be honest. We'll see about that. So yeah, well, my situation there. But that could drive the stock market a bit lower. And though, again, I'm a bit confused on what's happening. I need more answers, which I don't have currently. So yeah, not into any position. So I'm happy to be out of the market. Let me just check for some. Okay. Because yeah, I was looking at a long here yesterday, which would have been in profit right now, but better to be out. JP Morgan today, what a surge. You know, great Q1 results, which is, I mean, it could have been predictable. I do own JP Morgan, my long-term portfolio, which I'm thinking about starting a series of. I mean, financials. I mean, Elliott Wave wise, it looked good, and also, you know, financial should play a role into this economical environment. I mean, not economic, into the monetary policies that are being applied, which makes sense. And then, yeah, I was also looking the other day on a trade on Coca-Cola here, which hasn't played out. I mean, I wasn't triggering, I was looking further upside. But yeah, pretty solid year on Coke, basically. Potential 5 was, I don't know why it's not showing up. Weird. But yeah, potential 5 was up. Here, and then 1, 2. So looking overall for upside, which we'll see if it'll be confirmed or not. And I was looking on trades on those up move, as if we zoom into the 1 hour chart, we can identify potential. It was 1. So I was either reading it as a 1, 2. I mean, I wasn't that bullish. Still, I'm not, to be honest. I also have a more bearish alternate. By the way, guys, if you just joined, please let me know if there's anything I can help you with. I'm happy to take a look at whatever you need to. So just guys in the chat for whatever you want me to take a look at. I'll be happy to do so. So yeah, potentially we could be looking at something like this, a 1, 2. I don't particularly like this 1, 2 of some yet degree. Sorry, I mean yet degree, the red ones, as this wave 2 is much larger than the wave 2 on 1 higher degree. Birth of time, I mean in terms of time, not magnitude though. So that the only thing that still makes sense to me. And then looking here for upside. So 1, 2. Yeah. We'll see how it's gonna play out. And then Kellogg's maybe looking for some sort of a wave 4 here. Potential 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So that is something we can monitor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, that could also mean we might get some interesting long opportunities in here in Kellogg after this 5-wave move into wave 2. Solid company, so we'll monitor it. Overall, I mean, long term, I'm looking for something. Let me just hide this. For something like this, basically. One, 2, 3, 4, upside into wave 5. Here. So yeah, we'll hello Eric. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we're just taking a look here at some stocks. Because I also wanted to start a series of my personal long-term portfolio, which is composed by stocks and ETFs. But yeah, I'll think about it. Also wanted to, yeah, I think I might start like a series on those here on YouTube. From, yeah. Anyways. Okay. Or else I wanted to start like a live stream. Like one where I take whatever you guys want me to take a look at. And one where I could show the best setups for the week ahead. I think that could be quite interesting, you know. I mean, showing, okay, there's I don't know, ETH, which setup's quite interesting, oil, Apple, so different assets. And yeah, I think that would be cool. I don't know what you guys would think. Might maybe have a poll. Anyway, is this what you want me to take a look at? Am I on the right crypto? So looking for a bottom. So let's see. Okay, so 1.618 has been passed. So what I'm looking here is this looks like a clear three-wave move. And then this is either A, B, C, or it could easily be a 1-2. It could also be 1, 2, 3. Both are possible. Let's see. My 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3 a bit tricky. 1, 2. Yeah, not that easy to find this 5 waves. Might be something like 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, no, we need to investigate that, but overall, looking for a downside still. Might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Might even be tradable, to be honest. But yeah, we're all looking for a more downside before consider longs. Obviously, if this count is correct here, then wave 5 would need to be shorter than 3. So if we move lower than this, then I'm wrong. Lower than the red line, then this count is not correct. Other than that, yeah, we might get more downside. What do you say? What do you think? And yeah, any other thing, just let me know if I can help you with. If I can take a look at anything you guys want. Happy to.
Or do you not feel?
Sorry. Happy to do so. What, so it looks good. What about, alright. Let's take a look at it. Did you have the same count, Eric? Hello, man. It's good to see you. I could do my live streams. So let's take a look. Let me just take a look at here. Okay. So let's take a look. Let's open another tab. No, actually, just do the same. So more downside as well. Okay, great, Eric. Nice. So alright. Qcoin as well. Okay. Don't remember any of this. Short memory. So okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A. 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's investigate. By the way, guys, if you just joined, welcome. Feel free to ask me for anything to take a look at, anything to analyze. Happy to take a look at whatever you guys want, or if you have any question in general, happy to answer them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Not the easiest. Might be a 3-wave move, to be honest. might be A, B, C for double XY. It's not a complete chart. Damn it. What is it then? Alright. Oh yeah, I mean, fair enough. However, I don't trade those cryptos. That's why I don't use it. I prefer TradingView because I mainly trade different, stocks and indices, and I have nice, interesting data on those. That's why. But I mean, to be honest, as I said, we said last time, we agree on for short-term swings, it's not that important. We agreed on it last time. So this does not look impulsive. I'll tell you why. So, maybe I just might have seen a potential. Oh, nice. Okay, so yeah, that's what I was gonna say. So either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, 5 up. Okay, so it turned out to be a 3-wave move. Potential 3-wave move. A, B, C. So now this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that looked like okay, nice. So it looks like he asked me for it in February, around there, that time. So it looks like A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down in C. So it looks like 3. So now we need 5. So let's, as always, look for equality, which I don't think has been met yet. Nope. So 1, 2. So yeah, tricky to say when we will bottom. Yeah, tricky to say that. So we could look for upside. However, I'm not sure whether we bottom or not. And this might be 3. This could turn out to be 3. We could get more downside. We could get down here. It will make sense to get down here. So yeah, trading wise, I wouldn't do anything at the moment. If I was to look for a trade right now, then I would look for shorts. But yeah, let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. And yeah, any of you guys, anything you want to take a look at, any questions, just ask. Anything you want me to analyze. Yeah. What have we got here? Let's bring up the averages. So let's see. Okay, so we are around it on the daily, the 200 EMA, which is good, but doesn't mean much. From experience, once you cross, you're below the 20 EMA red line, then at the first touch, you don't usually break it. So I would be looking for more downside. Usually for strong RSI divergence, I look at 3 consecutive, in this case it would be 3 consecutive lower lows on price, which would have to correspond to 3 consecutive lower highs. Higher lows. Yes, sorry. My bad. On the RSI, but we only have 2. We have 1, 2. This 3, yes, it is a higher low, but you don't have a lower low on the chart. So yes, I would look for more downside. Long story short, might be wrong, but it would make sense to go look for support down here at the break of these. But yeah, happy to know what you think. Happy to know if you have any questions, or any of you has anything that wants me to take a look at. Otherwise, what else have we got? Nasdaq, interesting. Interesting. ABC. S&P. Interesting. 3.5, 10-year. Dow. 1, 2, 1, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could be 1, 2, 3, 5. So here on the Dow, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we could be looking at look at that. Just a couple of dollars shy of 2.1618. So yeah, interested. Could be looking for a pullback down here. That would make sense. And if we do get down there, I might be looking for longs. Anyways, yeah, any questions, anything you want to take a look at, guys, just ask. Happy to help if I can. In the meantime, I'm just browsing around looking for some opportunities. Watch. Let's take a look at these boys. Yeah, when I mark them blue, usually it means it's starting to get interesting. So here, for instance, I was looking at a 3-wave move. Do then look for longs on Pendudua, but here in Bib, I'm looking for basically some sort of wave 1 and 2. Pepsi, yeah, looking a bit shabby, to be honest here, Pepsi. Deere & Co. No idea, to be honest. Here I was looking for upside, but we're starting to get sideways, which could be a good thing or it can be a bad thing. I mean, at this point, we might be getting into some sort of diagonal into wave 1, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is interesting. We might be looking for longs. We'll just stop down there. A bit risky, but potentially rewarding. So we'll need to see about that. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Yeah, I kind of like this setup. Yeah. I do kind of like it. This would need to be A, B, C, D. Oops, wrong tool. A, B, C, D, E somewhere. Yeah, it's quite interesting. What else? How's the averages? Okay, in between, as usual. Very common when obviously we move sideways. What's it like? What does it look like on the daily? Yeah, same. Interesting. But yeah, guys, any questions, anything you want me to take a look at, feel free to ask. I could help if I can. Happy to take a look at whatever you guys want. What else? What else have we got? Let's see. Yeah, pull them back a bit. Yeah, I mean, at this point, here on youth, so far this is a 3 of move. So we'll need to monitor. We might get more downside. Yeah, we need to monitor it. But yeah, here on gold, as I said, I am looking for major downside. Might be wrong, obviously, but we'll see. Just don't want to fall myself into the wrong side of the market. Oops. Just been red. What else? Oh, yeah, Axis. Also a potential triangle in wave 4, which has been moving sideways for quite some time, so allowing for upside here on XX. So obviously, and then Johnson & Johnson was looking for a major long-term position, so we'll see. But it looks like we might be getting this potential. As you can see here. Yeah, I don't know. This move off the low looks like a thrift move. Therefore, need to be careful there. What else? Yeah, again, here on ETH, this red line, not this one, this red line supports further upside. If we break it, then yeah, we're kind of in trouble. As of, I might be wrong, completely off, so we'll see. As always, one wave at a time. So yeah, guys, I say that. Let me know if you have any question, or else I guess we can call it a week. And I will see you hopefully on the Discord. The link is in the description of the video and in the chat, or else I'll see you next week here on Bear Wave. So yeah, as always, thank you all for joining. I do appreciate it. Yeah, pulling back a bit. All right, then thank you all guys for joining, and I will